In this video, we'll learn how to use Guesty's Workflows feature to create, customize, and visualize the guest's communication journey, all in one place. Different workflows can be created for different types of reservations, helping you ensure that all scenarios are covered and that you are always sending the right message at the right time. So let's get started and see how it's done. First, click Automations in the top menu. Then, click Add Workflow. And either choose one of Guesty's templates, or create a custom workflow from scratch. The templates are a great way to get started, and are fully customizable. Here you can have a quick sneak peek inside each template, and browse our advanced best practices for even more options and ideas. To create your own custom workflow, click here, and choose the relevant type of template. For example, a new reservation template. This timeline lets you visualize the reservation lifecycle. You can create a series of customized messages that will be sent automatically at different stages of the reservation. On the left, customize the conditions that trigger this workflow. The property booked by the guest, the booking channel from which the reservation originates, how far in advance a reservation is booked, and the length of stay. Keep in mind, when you create a workflow that applies to all of your properties, you can save precious time and avoid inconsistencies between the different listings. Once the conditions are set, it's time to add the message that will be sent to the guest automatically. For example, after a reservation is confirmed. Click the plus icon and give your template a name so it'll be easier to recognize. Next, choose the time the message would be scheduled for. Let's say 30 minutes after booking confirmation. You can also add sending conditions that dictate when the message should or should not be sent, allowing you to create multiple messages for various scenarios. To learn more about these conditions, click here. Next up, choose who the message will be sent to, such as the guest, a property owner, or a member of your team. And choose how it should be sent, through a booking channel messaging platform, SMS, or email. If the message is being sent by email, add the subject line and text here. You can also add images, links, HTML code, and more using this toolbar. Go ahead and personalize your message with information from reservations and listings by adding a variable, a placeholder that is automatically replaced with the relevant information when the message is sent, allowing you to create messages that apply to a wide variety of reservation types and properties. To do that, click Add Variable and select an item from the list. When done, click Save. The message will be added to the timeline. And that's it! Keep in mind, you can easily remove messages from the timeline, like this. Or edit an existing template, simply by clicking it. When all your messages are in place, click Save and Activate, or Save as Draft. And they will appear under Automations. You can also deactivate or delete a workflow whenever you like. Just select the relevant workflow, click Deactivate, and then Continue. Or click here, and then Delete. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.